Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 23rd March 2025. Title of Murli. Uplift yourself and also uplift those who defame you. Become full of all powers and all virtues and a bestow of respect. Bap Dada said, all the children have passed in the subject of love, but are all the powers merged in them to the same extent as love is merged in them? Check. Whenever you order any power, does that power say yes sir, yes present at the right time? The child who follows every Srimad, every order of Lord, all the powers also remain present in front of him. Further Baba said, it is only when the stage is weak that the circumstances attack. The easy way to always remain victorious in the stage of self-sustainability is to always have a balance of self-respect and respect. In reality, to give respect is not to give, but to give respect is to accept it. The one who gives respect automatically becomes respectable in everyone's heart. Such a soul receives the love of God or the family from the heart. To give respect means to sow the seed of love in the heart of others. Everyone sees the one who gives respect as the creator soul. And the one who respects can easily stabilize in self-respect. Finally Baba said, your title is the one who is benevolent to all. The one who does good even to those who harm him. So check whether you have a vision, attitude and memory of being helpful to all. Doing a favor to others is like doing a favor to oneself. Blessing for today. May you renounce the sleep of carelessness and become a conqueror of sleep and thereby a ruler of the globe. Details are, in order to become an image that grants visions and give visions to the devotees and thereby a ruler of the globe, become a conqueror of sleep. When you forget that this is the time of destruction, you fall asleep in the sleep of carelessness. When you hear the call of devotees, the cries of sorrow of unhappy souls, the sound of the prayers of thirsty souls, you will never fall asleep in the sleep of carelessness. Now, become a constantly awake light, renounce any sleep of carelessness, and become an image that grants visions. Slogan is, cooperate in any way you can, with your body, mind, wealth and with your thoughts, words and deeds, and you will become an easy yogi. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. It is said of the Father, God is the truth and the Father loves the truth. The Lord is pleased with an honest heart. In the serviceable children who are seated on the heart throne, in their relationships and connections, in their every thought and word, honesty and cleanliness will be visible. Their every thought and every word will be the truth.